Live auction, real estate and personal property. On-site with online absentee bidding available. Over 1,000 lots. Auction day is Saturday, October 4th. Farm equipment and heavy machinery, including loaders, backhoes, and implements. Vehicles and utility trailers, shop tools and power equipment, jewelry and antiques, electronics and home decor, and much more. Location, 4916 Standing Stone Road, Huntingdon, Pennsylvania. On-site auction, Saturday, October 4th. Personal property auction begins at 9:30 a.m. Autos, farm equipment, and machinery at 12 noon. Prefer to bid remotely? Submit absentee bids online. Go to auctionjournal.com. Online absentee bidding closes October 2nd at 12:23 AM EDT. Everything sells to the highest bidder. No reserves. Over 1,000 lots. Professional, transparent, and trusted. Register and bid at auctionjournal.com. On-site auction, Saturday, October 4th. Absentee bidding closes October 2nd at 12:23 a.m. EDT.